keys in the ignition. I just can't pack this one last bag because it's astronomically heavy.
I got it.
Okay. Oh my god, not too late. We're getting out of here at probably 15 after. That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad. We're doing great. I'm secured the bag. Actually, it fits perfectly right in that spot.
All right. I need to be able to be paid for these talents that I have. So I think I can make everything fit.
All right, where's our first stop? Chick-fil-A in what city?
Yay, Buc-ee's. All right, Buc-ee's. We do not have to stop by you.
We already got way more food than we need.
We've got gas, we've got food.
Funiac Springs.
The Funiac? That's Cleric Beak's fight music. You know, you know.
I don't know that one, but sounds like some very dramatic music.
The bag has been secured. And I changed some settings on the camera, and now we can do like extreme close-ups.
See every piece of chicken on my teeth. We are just past Cottonwood, Florida, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a perfect day for driving.
And our next stop will be halfway there.
Yeah, we're making great time.
Yay! Next stop,
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
We're in Gainesville.
We have made it to Gainesville. Doesn't really look like a swamp now, but we're gonna stop and eat at the Cheesecake Factory. So should be good. We got a gift card we need to use up, and after this we're only like an hour and well, we might as well say 2 hours away from our final destination.
Little cheeseburger rolls.
This is cheese bag. That's cheese.
Oh wow.
Bread. Annihilated. Good, it looks good.
Thank you.
This looks really good.
Even this cheeseburger looks really good too.
Ooh, the tiramisu looks really good.
Heck yeah.
And then which one did you get?
Godiva chocolate.
Ooh, that looks good too. Both of them look so good. You can't miss it. Yay, Walt Disney World, the most magical place on earth. So here we are at Pop Century room 423. But whenever you enter the room, immediately to your right, you have the Hey Disney there, powered by Amazon. And the room does have 2 beds, but one of them is a Murphy bed that just simply lets out. I'll insert a clip of me letting out that bed. All right, so let's let down this Murphy bed. As you can see, I moved the chairs from the table and just pushed it over against the wall. I put another one over against that wall. Technically both could actually fit over there, but yeah. All right, and this is how easy it is to let down these Murphy beds. Obviously I'm holding the camera in one hand and I'm gonna pull with the other hand. And it's coming down, coming down, coming down. All right, so this is the Murphy bed, and this is why there's so many pillows on the queen bed, because they belong on the Murphy bed. So let me grab some pillows. 4 go on this Murphy bed, and another 4 go on the queen bed, which my husband is gleefully enjoying after a long road trip. But yeah, easy and simple as that. There's 2 beds in the room, and there's the Murphy bed beside the door with Goofy sleeping up there. Very cute, counting his bones. And then you find like a little station where you can put your snacks, make some coffee in the morning. We've already dropped off our snacks there. There's also a cooler as well. This is not a refrigerator, it is a cooler, so it won't keep things like milk from spoiling, but it'll keep, you know, some Propels or some waters nice and cool for you. There's also the thermostat on this side of the room as well. And there is, I know you couldn't tell before, but there is like a tiny bit of area that you can actually store snacks on top of this tabletop, as well as the shelves. Then you have, usually they have a recycle bin and a garbage can right here, but they have 2 bins here, so you can choose to fill them with both trash or recycling or whatever. Then coming into the room past that first Murphy bed on the right hand side, you have a queen size bed, well lit on both sides with independent light switches, so you won't bother anyone. A telephone and a small storage area. I also want to say that there's storage underneath the bed as well. You can put a pretty big suitcase under there. And to mirror the other side, there's plenty of places for you to plug in things as well, to USBs, your standard plugs, and that shelf as well. So there was 2 USB, two plugs there. And then if you 180, you have the television, and you have this center for you to actually put things down on, and you also have your safe in here as well for you to store your valuables if you choose to, and a little bit more of shelf storage as well. And these are quiet clothes, as you can see, as well as drawer storage as well. We have 3 drawers there. Okay, and there's plenty of outlets here for you to charge all of your things. This particular room has a connecting door. I know a lot of people don't like the connecting doors, but I have a hack for that, so just stay tuned. Here's some additional places for you to store different things. Another outlet. And then you have like a barn door that separates the bathroom's vanity area with the quiet clothes as well. So that, you know, if you don't want to necessarily use the bathroom, someone could be in the bathroom, which is right here. That's where the bathroom door is, and that is also like a pocket door. This one's a pocket door. And then you have a nice vanity area, very nicely lit, and the storage goes all the way up to the ceiling in this vanity area, along with some cabinet storage where you have your blow dryer and your iron, some additional toiletries, and those are quiet clothes cabinets, some additional toiletries. We also have already put some of our toiletry bags there. Tissues, hand towels. You have a bar soap there. You also have some storage underneath the sink. And you have a bit of storage on the floor, actually, in the vanity area. But this storage goes all the way from ceiling down to the floor in here. Now, what is a little bit smaller is this area for you to hang your clothes. So a lot of people like to live out of the suitcase anyway, so that doesn't matter to them. But there is a small area for you to actually hang up clothes if you prefer to hang them. And some hangers there, as well as additional storage. So the hack that I was telling you about with having the connecting door. If you don't like having the connecting door, you can actually take the iron from right here and lay it sideways on the floor. And a part of it will go kind of behind the dresser and across the floor. Of course, there's also a lock that is dead bolted, but it is there for your security. But if you want to have just a little bit more peace of mind, you can actually put that iron over there too. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It has a pocket door with a full-length mirror. And you just open the pocket door right here. Light switches to your right. Towel racks are low and high. with washcloths and full-size towels, as well as a wastebasket here. In this particular room, there is a tub with these glass sliding doors and the H2O products available to use. And there is the shower as well. So if you got kiddos, you have a tub for yourself and a nice shower for the older folks, as well as a laundry line as well that you can extend from here to here to put up any clothes that you might wash by hand, or bathing suits, which is what most people use them for. And that completes the room tour of room 1423 at Pop Century Resort. Cheers to having a great road trip.
Thanks for having them tell me happy birthday. That was a nice touch.
Dude, this is so cute. Lady and the Tramp was like my favorite Disney thing. I was like, I like Lady. I like Cocker Spaniels. Because you know that's what she's supposed to be, is a Cocker Spaniel.
Yeah, she's cute. Totally different.
You're at Pop Century. Like literally the Skyliner is like right there. So we just wanted to like walk out here and see how far it was. What do you think about, I know we just got here and we kind of went to sleep. What do you think about the resort?
It's nice. I've been here before.
To Pop Century.
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, we came here before.
No.
Oh, we were at the sports.
We did All-Star Sports.
But this is just like that.
But we did, I think what you're thinking about, babe, is when we were at Caribbean Beach. We went to Caribbean Beach.
No, I was thinking about All-Star Sports.
Oh, you were? Okay.
This hotel is so similar that I thought it was the same hotel.
Yeah, you got a point. We knew we wanted to stay here for the Skyliner because we're going to Hollywood Studios tomorrow.
Grilled chicken sandwich was very good.
It was good.
For a, just a regular old entree at the food court. It was good.
I agree.
It was really good.
Yeah, it was good. So now we are ready to go to sleep though. We are exhausted. So we're going to go to bed now.
Yep.
Okay, let me get ate by the gator.